Welcome to Web Solution. I will show you how to register a DLL file in a 32 or 64-bit Windows. If you need to register a DLL due to some sort of corruption or installation failure, you can do it manually by following the method outlined in this video. If you are using 32-bit, go to your C drive or whichever drive your system is loading from. Go to Windows and locate System32. Then copy the DLL file to this location. Then if you are using 64-bit, go to your drive C or whichever drive your system is loading from. Go to Windows and locate syswow64. Then copy the DLL file to this location. Usually, fellow on the taskbar or on the Windows menu. Type CMD, then right-click on the CMD that comes up and run as administrator. Thereafter, type in the following, regFBR32. Now go to the location where you pasted the DLL file and click on the address bar, then copy the address you see right there. Now go back to your CMD that was open to continue typing. Once you're on right there, enter, :, and in between the double colons, paste the address you copied earlier, then followed by /, then copy and paste the file name plus its extension. finally hit your enter key. If you did it correctly, you should see a success message. If you did see a success message, congratulations. If you like this video, hit the like thumb and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.